Hey, sweet friends. Welcome back to Sweet Ascent, where we take your baking skills to new heights. Ever had a cookie so soft, so buttery, so packed with pools of melty chocolate that it literally melts in your mouth? Today, we're making the ultimate chocolate chip cookies, golden on the outside, irresistibly soft on the inside. No dry, cakey cookies here, just pure, chewy perfection. Let's bake. Scene. Ingredients laid out neatly on a counter. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup, 226 grams, unsalted butter. Room temperature, 1 cup. 200 grams, brown sugar, 1/2 cup. 100 grams, granulated sugar, 2 large eggs. Room temperature, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 2 3/4 cups, 345 grams. All-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt. 2 cups, 340 grams, semi-sweet chocolate chips. Scene. Butter and sugars being creamed together in a stand mixer. First, cream together your butter, brown sugar, and granulated sugar. Mix for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's light and fluffy. This step is key to getting that soft, chewy texture. Scene. Eggs and vanilla being added, mixing until smooth. Next, add in the eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Then, stir in the vanilla extract. It's already smelling amazing. Scene. Dry ingredients being sifted and gradually added to the wet mixture. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and salt. Slowly incorporate it into the wet mixture, mixing on low speed until just combined. Overmixing? That's a big no-no if you want soft cookies. Scene. Chocolate chips being folded in with a spatula. Now, for the best part, chocolate chips. Fold them in gently to keep that dough light and airy. Scene. Cookie dough being scooped onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Scoop out your dough onto a lined baking sheet, spacing them about 2 inches apart. If you want extra gooey cookies, chill the dough for 30 minutes before baking. Trust me, it's worth it. Scene. Cookies baking in the oven. Timer set to 10 to 12 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden but the center still looks slightly underbaked. That's how you get that melt in your mouth softness. Scene. Freshly baked cookies resting on a wire rack, steam rising. Let them cool for 5 minutes on the baking sheet before transferring to a wire rack. Or, just grab one while it's still warm, no judgment here. Scene. Close-up of cookies breaking apart, chocolate stretching between the halves. And there you have it, the perfect chocolate chip cookies. Soft, buttery, and loaded with chocolate. If you're craving more baking magic, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Until next time, happy baking!